Good evening, everybody. I am from your Lakshman Yakamparam from Teachers Couple Talk channel. We are going to the topic. Before we are going to the topic, please subscribe my channel, like and share to others, and comment also, please. Today we are discussing about the uh, human respiration. What is the respiratory system? The respiratory system is the organs and other parts of our body involved in breathing when you exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. Parts of respiratory system. Your respiratory system include your nose and nasal cavity, sinus, mouth, throat, voice box, windpipe, diaphragm, lungs, bronchial tubes, bronchioles, air sacs, capillaries. How do we breathe? Breathing starts when you inhale air into your nose or mouth. It travels down the back of your throat and into your windpipe, which is divided into air passes called bronchial tubes. For our lungs to perform their best, these airways need to be open. They should be free from inflammation of swelling and extra mucus. As the bronchial tubes pass through our lungs, they are divided into smaller air passes called bronchioles. The bronchioles end into tiny balloon-like air sacs called alveoli. Your body has about 600 million alveoli. The alveoli are surrounded by a mesh of tiny blood vessels called capillaries. Here oxygen from inhaled air passes into your blood. After absorbing oxygen, blood goes to your heart. Your heart then pumps into through your body the cells of your tissues and organs. As the cells use the oxygen, they make carbon dioxide that goes into your blood. Your blood that carries the carbon dioxide back to your lungs, where it is removed from your body when you exhale. Inhalation and exhalation processes. Inhalation and exhalation are how your body brings in oxygen and gets rid of carbon dioxide. The process gets help from a large dome-shaped muscle under lungs called the diaphragm. When you breathe in, your diaphragm falls downward, creating a vacuum that causes a rush of air into your lungs. The opposite happens with the exhalation. Our diaphragm relaxes upward, pushing on your lungs, allowing them a default. How does the respiratory system clean the air? Your respiratory system has built-in methods to keep harmful things in the air from entering your lungs. Hairs in your nose help filter out large particles. Tiny hairs called cilia along your air process move in sweeping motion to keep the process clean. But if you breathe in the harmful things like cigarette smoke, the cilia can stop working. This can lead health problems like bronchitis. Cells in our trachea and bronchial tubes make mucus that keeps air process moist and helps keep things like dust, bacteria and viruses and allergy causing things out of your lungs. Respiratory system diseases, very well to us. Common diseases of the respiratory system include asthma. Your airways narrow and make too much mucus. Bronchitis. Inflammation and infection make your bronchial wall thicker. Chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases means COPD. COPD means chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. This long-term condition gets worse over time, includes bronchitis and emphysema. Next, pneumonia. Infection causes implementation in your alveoli, they might fill up with fluid or pus. Tuberculosis, a bacterium causes his dangerous infection. It usually affects our lungs, but might also involve your kidney, spleen, and our brain. Lung cancer cells in our lungs change and grow into a tumor. This often happens because of smoking or other chemicals we have breathed in. Cystic fibrosis. This disease is caused by a problem in our genes and gets worse over time. It causes lung infections that not go away. Next, pleural effusion. Too much fluid builds up between the tissues that line your lungs and chest. Next, adipotic pulmonary fibrosis. Your lung tissue becomes scared and cannot work the way it should. Next, sarcoidosis. Tiny clumps in inflammatory cells called granulomas from often in our lungs and lymph nodes. Pleuritic chest pain. Does it when you breathe in and out, and does the pain get worse when you try to take a deep breath? Doctors call this sharp stabbing or burning pain, pleuritic chest pain. Pleurisy. This condition is the major cause of pleuritic chest pain. Pleurisy may also cause pain in our shoulders or back. It can hurt so much breath that you take small, shallow breaths. The pleura are two thin sheet-like layers. One cover our lungs, the other lines the inside of our chest wall. There's a small amount of fluid in the space between two layers. This helps to the layers glide smoothly as you breathe. The pleura can get irritated and rub painfully against each other. The doctor may be listen to your breath and there the scarcity sound it causes. Doctor does not always know what causes pleurisy. It sometimes goes to away on its own. Lung infection, bacterial phenomena and tuberculosis infections are common cause of pleuritic chest pain. Virus like the flu or even fungal infection can trigger infections in your lungs. Other symptoms include fever, sweating and chills, fog with greenish, yellow or bloody, loss of appetite, tiredness, muscle ache, headache. Your treatment will depend on that kind of infection you have. You will get. Blood clots. A pulmonary embolism is a clot that blocks blood flow to your lungs. It can be life-threatening. Usually, the clot forms is a deep vein, breaks free and travels to our lungs. Besides sudden pleuritic chest pain, you may have shortness of breath, fast breathing, a rapid heart rate, causing lightness or faintings, sweating, anxiety. Collapsed lung. When air gets into the pleural space, the pressure can make your lung fully or partially collapse. This can be caused by a chest injury, damage from the lung diseases, some medical procedures. A lung can collapse for a no obvious reason too. In some cases, a collapsed lung is life-threatening. The main symptoms are sudden chest pain and shortness of the breath. In worst cases, you may have low oxygen levels, low blood pressure, fast heart rate. A minor pneumothorax may heal by itself. Treatment for more serious ones is included. So it is the concept of human respiratory system. Can you like this video? Please subscribe, like and comment. Please share to others also. You watch my videos. Very soon I will come to you with one more video also. Thank you watching my video.